Hello everyone, today I'll be preparing two dishes. The first one will be the hill river snail. You see the light roy. The next dish is the mussel, stir fry mussel, and we call this kongreng. Kangaw oin ngaw rage kongreng se. Light roy na alu ga thong rage. Boiled potatoes, onion, ginger, garlic. This is coriander, Szechuan pepper leaf. This is muthrobi, fresh muthrobi mana and some tomatoes. So let's start preparing the light roy. Let's put some oil. Crab lage. Onion. Garlic and ginger. A bit of chili powder. Chili powder for half a turmeric powder. Muthrobi su khathak se lage muthrobi manane. Szechuan pepper leaf. Purin su half ki hojik su half ki. Fresh in khonda heg lo bne se. Manam haure. Manipur tholak pedi ing hare padana. Alu di mun garane. Just mash it with my hand. Tomato se half kg. Cook for 5 minutes. ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯔꯒꯦ ꯆꯥꯕ mussel fry ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯡ fry ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯒꯥꯒ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯆꯒꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯌꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗꯩ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯝꯐꯨꯠ ꯇꯣꯔꯕꯣꯠ ꯆꯝꯐꯨꯠ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯡ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛ ꯊꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯊꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯊꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ
ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ
ꯎꯁꯤꯡꯁꯥ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯎꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯝꯃꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ